In today's video, I am going to teach you how to clean up and reset Google Chrome tutorial. To begin, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for Chrome, where you can manage everything from privacy and security to startup behavior and appearance. On the Settings page, find and click Reset Settings. Next, select Restore Settings to their original defaults. Chrome will then show a confirmation window explaining what this reset will do. In most cases, this will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pin tabs. It can also disable extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. However, your saved bookmarks, browsing history, and saved passwords are generally not removed, which makes this option helpful when you want to troubleshoot problems without losing important personal data. After the reset is finished, it is a good idea to test the browser and see if the issue has been resolved. Open a few websites, check your home page or search settings, and confirm that Chrome is running more smoothly. If you had extensions enabled before, remember that some of them may now be disabled, so you can review them later and turn back on only the ones you trust and still need. That covers everything you need to know.